Hello everybody, welcome to Salsal Academy. I am Ali, your as your mathematics instructor. Today I'm going to work out or calculate or simplify the continuation of previous lecture. Here we start from question number 11 to question number 20 in this lesson. Here said that change each of these to mixed number. How we can change this fraction to mixed number? To change, we use usually long division. Here we first divide 13 over 3, or 13 divided by 3. So here we have 13 divided by 3. So we write here 3 times of 3 is 9. Okay, we should take 4. We write here as 3. Here write 4. 4 times of 3 is 12. We subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. Now we write here as 4 as a whole number. And reminder, 1 is as a numerator and 3 is as a denominator. So the answer is 4 and 1 over 3. We change to mixed number. The same we want to convert the 11 over 5. We divide 11 divided by 5. Here we have 5. 2 times of 5 is 10. We subtract here remain only 1. Now we write 2 as a whole number here, and we have 1 over 5. It changed to a mixed number. And we come to question number 13. We have 23 over 7. We divide 23 over 7. We have 3 times of 7 is 21. Then we subtract, it remains only 2. Now we write here 2, actually 3 is a whole number, and 2 is as a numerator, and 7 is as denominator. It changed to mixed number. We come to question number 14. Here also we divide 19 over 4. We have 19 divided by 4. Now we take 4 times of 4 is 16. Here we write and subtract. 9 minus 6 remain only 3. So it's equal to, we write here 4 and 3 over 4. This one, it convert to mixed fraction. We come to question number 15. It's the next part. Change each of these to an improper fraction. How we convert to improper fraction? Here actually we multiply 4 by denominator by 3, then add with numerator. We write here 4 times of 3 plus here we write 4 multiplied by 3 plus 2, and we write the denominator as itself, so it's equal to 4 times of 3 is 12 plus 2 over 3. Then we write 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 over 3. It converts to improper fraction. We come to question number 16. We write here 6 times of 7. We multiply 6 by 7. 6 times of 7 is 40. 2 plus numerator. In numerator we have 3 over 7. So the answer is 42 plus 3 is 45 over 7. This is the final answer. And we come to question number 17. Here we have the same. We multiply 8 by 5. 8 times of 5 is 40 plus 2 over 5. Then we add this number. 42 plus 4 gave us 44 over 5. This is the final answer. And we come to question number 18. In question number 18, we multiply 20 multiplied by 9. 20 multiplied by 9, 2 times of 9 is 18. We add 1 0 plus 8 over 9. Then it's equal to 188 over 9. This is the final answer of question number 18. And we come to question number 19. In question number 19, there is word problem. Said that Eliud scores 65 out of 80 in a maths test. Write this as a fraction in its simplest form. You know that a fraction has the form of a over b. It's equal to, and a is the first number that Eliud gained the score 65, and b is the second number that's total 80. Now we can simplify. Both of these numbers are divisible by 5. We divide it by 5. 1 times of 5 is 5. We have 1 beside 1 to 5, 15. 3 times of 5 is 15. And here also we divide by 5. 1 times of 5 is 5. We remain 3. 3 beside 0 become 30. 30 divided by 5, 6. 6 times of 5 is 30. So the final answer is 13 over 60. And now we come to question number 20. It was the solution of question number 19. We come to question number 20. Question number 20 said that Rendell cycles 42 kilometers and the average speed of 18 kilometers per hour. Find the time taken given your answer as a fraction of an hour in its simplest form. So we have a formula in physics that d is actually distance equal to v, or velocity or speed, multiplied by time. Here we have first Rendell cycles 42 kilometers. Actually we have the distance 42 kilometers equal to, and also we have the here average speed or velocity 80 kilometers per hour multiplied by t, but t is not clear. First we should calculate the value of t. So here we divide both sides by 18 kilometers per hour. Also here we can divide 18 kilometers per hour. So the value of t is equal, here we simplified hour by hour and kilometers by kilometers. 18 by 18 just only remain t in the left side. The right side we usually or typically write the variable around the left side. And also here kilometers simplified by kilometers just only remain 42 over 18, but h as an hour goes to the numerator. We write here. And we can simplify. Both of these two numbers are divisible by 6. We divide by 6. 7 times of 6 is 42. 3 times of 6 is 18. So the t is 7 over 3h. And also it said that find the time. We should actually find the time this time given your answer as a fraction of an hour in its simplest form. So you know that a fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. Here the numerators that we gain here 7 over 3 hour, and b is set that here 1 hour. They said just an hour, so it's an hour we write here. Hour by hour simplified, so the final answer, the simplest form of this answer is 7/3. Okay, this question finished. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel, and if you have any question or suggestion, you can write in the comment below. Thank you.